The liver is a powerhouse organ, often overlooked but essential for our survival. It works tirelessly to filter toxins from your blood, ensuring that harmful substances are removed efficiently. Additionally, it produces bile, a crucial component for digestion, helping to break down fats and absorb nutrients. The liver also plays a vital role in metabolism, processing nutrients from the food we eat and converting them into energy. Keeping your liver healthy is crucial for overall well-being, as it impacts almost every system in your body. Over time, our modern lifestyles can take a toll on the liver. Processed foods, environmental pollutants, and stress contribute to its burden, making it harder for the liver to function properly. This can lead to a buildup of toxins, which can cause inflammation and damage to liver cells. This buildup can impair the liver's ability to function optimally, leading to various health issues. A liver detox can help alleviate this burden. By incorporating detoxifying foods and drinks, detoxification supports the liver's natural cleansing processes, helping it to remove accumulated toxins more effectively. This helps to remove accumulated toxins, allowing the liver to regenerate and repair itself. A liver detox can revitalize your health, making you feel more energetic and vibrant. Regular detoxification is like hitting the reset button for your liver, giving it a fresh start. It allows this vital organ to work more efficiently, improving its ability to filter toxins and support overall health. A detox can boost energy levels, improve digestion, and enhance overall well-being, helping you to live a healthier, more active life. Autophagy is a natural process that occurs in your body. It's your body's way of cleaning house at a cellular level, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. During autophagy, your body identifies old and damaged cells that are no longer functioning properly. It breaks them down and recycles their components, turning waste into useful materials. This process is essential for maintaining cellular health and overall well-being. Think of autophagy as your body's internal recycling program, constantly working to keep you healthy. It helps to eliminate waste products that could otherwise accumulate and cause harm. It also removes potentially harmful substances, such as toxins and damaged proteins. This process promotes cellular renewal and supports overall health, helping you feel your best. Autophagy declines as we age, which can lead to a buildup of cellular waste. This decline contributes to various age-related health issues, such as decreased energy and increased susceptibility to diseases. By boosting autophagy through healthy lifestyle choices, we can slow down this process. We can even reverse some of the damage caused by aging and improve our overall health. Activating autophagy has numerous health benefits, including better cellular function and overall vitality. These benefits include improved cellular function, reduced inflammation, and enhanced immune response. Additionally, it lowers the risk of chronic diseases, such as diabetes and heart disease. Autophagy is a key player in maintaining a healthy weight, promoting longevity, and ensuring a vibrant life. Several natural triggers can activate autophagy, a crucial process for cellular cleansing and renewal. One effective trigger is phytonutrients, which are abundant in a variety of fruits and vegetables. These beneficial compounds not only provide essential nutrients, but also stimulate the body's natural cleansing processes. By incorporating a diverse range of colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet, you can enhance autophagy and support overall health. Another powerful autophagy activator is a ketogenic diet, which is high in healthy fats and low in carbohydrates. This way of eating forces the body to burn fat for fuel, leading to a metabolic shift that promotes cellular cleaning. Regular exercise is also crucial for activating autophagy. It not only helps with weight management, but also triggers the body's natural cleansing processes. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week to reap the benefits. Activities like jogging, cycling, and swimming are excellent choices. Adequate sleep is another essential factor. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, which includes activating autophagy to clear out cellular debris and promote recovery. Ensuring you get enough quality sleep each night is vital for maintaining cellular health. Calorie restriction, such as intermittent fasting, is another effective way to activate autophagy. By reducing calorie intake, you signal your body to conserve energy and initiate cellular cleaning. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. which can significantly boost autophagy. Fasting in particular has gained significant attention for its autophagy boosting effects. Water fasting, where you abstain from all food and only consume water, can significantly upregulate autophagy. This method allows the body to focus entirely on cellular repair and cleansing. However, dry fasting, which involves abstaining from both food and water, takes it to the next level by further intensifying the autophagy process. By incorporating these natural triggers into your lifestyle, you can enhance autophagy and support your body's natural ability to cleanse and renew itself. This will not only promote cellular health, but also contribute to overall well-being, energy levels, and longevity.